Hey guys, you know what time it is? It's Nomi Makes Things time. So today we're going to be making a rainbow bracelet.
You'll need some thread. You'll need some thread for bead thread. You'll need just a needle, one needle, bead that can go through beads, and you want a little clasp. And this belongs with, these belong together, this and this belong together, and then some little scissors. Yeah! First, I take the little thread, and I'm gonna pull out like more than I need, just so it makes it easier. So how much do I have? Just like too much. I'm gonna take out like that much. You can see like that much. Fold it over, and then cut it. Alright, so now I'm gonna start with the little thing like this. That little thing, I am going to feed the thread through and give it about as much extra that you can feed a needle through and hide it up in the bracelet, anklet. So now we just have that string. I'm gonna take one of the needles. They're so thin, so these bend really easily. So just be careful when you're like trying to jam it through. They can bend, so you get a bunch. All right, so I already looked through my beads. I have like a random assortment of beads, and I made this color palette. And I think I wanted to start here, and then I'll go around, and that'll be where the clasp is. So I usually wet the little tip with my tongue just to get it. Now I am going to feed the thread through. All right. Okay, so I think that's a little bit better. And for now, I'm just gonna put this one to the side. And let's start right here, and then we'll go this way, all the way around. All right, let's go. And flowers, na 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 na, flowers. So this is just leftover from something else. Whoops. Yeah, so I have a ton of beads from my entire life, just like a collection of lots of different types of beads. And what's happened a couple times is that they've fallen on the floor, and then I've just collected them from the floor, but they're in a rainbow colored mess. So I have been realizing that I really am affected by my art supplies if they look pretty or not, if I want to use them. And when my beads are all in a mess, I end up not wanting to use them. And then when I start to color coordinate them, I see, like, I've started to color coordinate yellow. And then I realize how much I have of a certain type of bead. And yeah, I get ideas. So yeah, I just recommend color coordinating your art supplies, and then it makes them a lot more appealing. It makes them, like, when you go to the art store and you see things. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, we got the yellow on. And some of the sofa. Oops. Well, crazy stuff is happening. Crazy stuff is happening. Crazy stuff is happening. So pretty. Oops. Look at that pretty bracelet. Look at that pretty anklet. Let's just organize here again. All right. Whoops. Voila, there is my anklet. That is, I wanted to make an anklet, but I think I have just about enough for a bracelet. So we're not gonna make an anklet after all. Oh, it's so pretty! Oh my god. Whoops. Look, check it out. The blues. So now I think this is totally gonna fit. So now what I do is, so next we're going to want to take the little clasp and we're going to attach it here. So I'm just gonna take the needle and put it through the clasp. And I'm gonna go hold it like this so it doesn't fall. You can just lay it down. Just lay it down. Alright, and now do like a triple knot. Whoops. I'm not exactly sure if this is the best type of knot to do. Alright. So now what you do is you're gonna have a little excess string here. We're just gonna cut it shorter, about like twice the length of the needle. So I'll have some extra. Now you're going to take the thread that's attached here and thread it through the needle. Alright. Then where I tied the knot, I feed it back through these beads. You might want to pull it a little bit on the top so you can feed it through. Okay, about a little shorter than the needle, and you pull it through. Well, there's a trick for how it won't get like this. So, whoops. Okay, so the trick is you need to make sure that there's enough thread that it can pull through. So you want this to be very short. Looks like I'm having trouble pulling the needle through. Maybe I can use these pliers. Oops. Looks like I broke. Oh, I broke one of the beads. Well, pull it through. Should have just not tried to go through that one. Don't do that. And this one here. Okay, wonderful. Put the needle on the side. And alright. Voila! We made a little rainbow bracelet! Nice.
Alright, so thanks so much for watching. And see you all later. Bye, guys. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thank you.